guys, this is Tyler with GPCarAudio.com here. We're in Shane's Tahoe. In his Tahoe, what he's got going on is a 300 amp alternator, a Northstar AGM 34 under the hood, all GP ultra pure OFHC wiring, headed back to an M1S wired at 1 ohm, back here under the seats of the Tahoe. From there, this goes to your two Northstar SMS AGM 220s, all wired out right here. And then we have two HNX 18s with SPL Audio recones. Shout out to Corey SPL AUDIO Dean. So anyways, guys, check out this video. Let us know what you think.
I believe, fuck a jacket, I'ma rock my tattoo sleeves. I got bitches in rumbling up, rolling it up in just push every minute, blow it on it, every day is full. I don't do that, yeah, I do that. Look at who I benefit. With game shit, now pass me the. Still got a in the Jordan. Connectors on the couple with the feet push and gets
Okay, we're here on the dash. That's the SPL Lab USB meter. Today we have it running off of Windows. This meter can also run off of Android. I just do not have the proper OTG cable with me. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and see what these 218s will do. These are freshly installed, so you know, all the fine tuning and tweaking of the setup to strangle the most out of it hasn't happened yet, but we'll see where it lies currently. Okay, so yeah, I'll just start at like 46. We already kind of have a ballpark of where it peaks.
All right, it's 46 right here.
Yeah, rev 2.
Ready?
Yeah. There you go. 150.3. Okay, try 47. Yeah, go ahead and try 48. That was a 150.3. Now go to 49. I think where'd you peak last time?
48.
Was 48 the peak?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so that looked like that probably would have been the peak because you did a 150.3 after 2 burps, so it's probably going to be more of like a 150.5
Maybe try
cooled down.
45.
Yeah, I mean, you can go back and try 45, but I don't know that it's going to... We were getting an increase as you were going up. I mean, we could even increase after that. 150.5, okay.
Huh. Go down one
Subs are breaking in. Yeah, go to 44. 50.4. Huh. Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah. We all been dimming the fuck out of it.
Yeah.
20 minutes.
So you just tried 44, right?
Yeah.
Go to, have you done 49 yet?
No.
Do 49.
Here it is.
Okay, yeah, you are going to want to peak around 45, it looks like. You weren't even close whenever these were not broken in, though.
Huh?
Remember how, like in this range, it was like a dB down from 48 hertz or whatever.
Yeah.